The Milwaukee M12 M18 battery case is a versatile storage solution designed to accommodate a wide range of battery models, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Constructed from high-quality polypropylene material, this case offers exceptional protection against impacts and pressure, ensuring your batteries and chargers remain safe and secure. The custom foam interior with 9 adjustable dividers allows for flexible storage configurations, providing a snug fit for various tools and accessories. With an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, this case offers reliable protection against harsh environmental conditions, keeping your equipment dry and clean. The case is backed by a 12-month warranty, demonstrating the manufacturer's confidence in the product's durability and long-lasting performance. Designed with large capacity and compatibility in mind, the case supports not only Milwaukee batteries but also models from other major brands like Dewalt, Ryobi, and Makita.